Hi, this is a new version of analog switch for the Carrera Digital truck. So let's say you have a Carrera Digital truck, but you also have analog cars, like in this case Scalextrics and SCX, I believe. With this switch you can switch power to analog, lanes to analog, and now you can go analog. Then you can put it back to digital, but first you need to remove the analog cars, otherwise they go full power backward. So you go digital power, digital lanes, and now you got power to your digital truck. So this new version, unlike the previous version, does not require the Carrera Evolution connecting straight. I designed this new version because Carrera doesn't make this anymore. Their new Evolution connecting straight is electronics. It's got 2 wires controllers and it's not compatible anymore. So I designed this new version, which includes universal connectors for controllers, any controllers, as long as they have 3 wires. In this case I'm using basic Scalextrics controller, and that's it. It's a small box. It is exactly half straight and it fits on the shoulder, which is all 3D printed. It's all enclosed in there. It's very simple, it can't fail, and it just works.